News is coming in. Ruckus now in Jammu and Kashmir Assembly over the Waqf law. Jacket Farouk protest in the Assembly. National Conference and BJP MLAs stormed the well of the Assembly at this point in time, tearing the Waqf law copy in house are the MLAs of the ruling National Conference, sloganeering uproar over Waqf law in the Assembly.
Important business.
Here, we are not challenging the parliament. This is a Muslim majority state and we have all the right to speak on something that directly affects Jammu and Kashmir. And we feel that there should be a discussion on how the bill will impact the people of Jammu and Kashmir, and that is the reason. There are many members in the assembly who have signed on the adjournment motion. We hope that considering the sentiment of the people of Jammu and Kashmir and the elected legislature of Jammu and Kashmir, the speaker will admit and give us time to speak on this. Not everybody is happy with the Waqf amendment bill. It is a direct attack on the religious minorities, or the minorities of this country, and we feel we have all the right to speak, and this is an august house.
नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस रूलिंग में है, सत्ता में है, और जिस प्रकार से पीछे भी इन्होंने असंवैधानिक, जिसे हम अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल कहते हैं, गैर कानूनी कहते हैं, ऐसी गतिविधियां उन्होंने इस विधानसभा में की। और मुझे लगता है कि आज दोबारा से असंवैधानिक, अगर वो एडजर्नमेंट मोशन, स्थगन प्रस्ताव लाते हैं तो वो असंवैधानिक कहलाएगा। जो प्रस्ताव, जो बिल पास किया गया हो संसद द्वारा और जिसको मोहर लगाई हो
राष्ट्रपति ने भी मंजूरी
द्वारा, और अब उसे हम सब जुडिस भी मानते हैं, कोई कोर्ट में भी चला गया। अब मुझे बताइए, यूनियन टेरिटरी जम्मू कश्मीर, इसकी असेंबली वक़्फ़ बिल को डिस्कस करेगी? मतलब कितनी शर्म की बात है। संसद के कानून को आप नहीं मानते हो, आप किसको मानोगे?
I'm going across to Mir for more on that. Mir, massive ruckus within the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly, both the BJP and the National Conference at the well of the House. Just tell us what's happening. These pictures just speak volumes of the absolute chaos, and of course the opposition to the Waqf bill here, which the NC says is now in fact a matter which is sub judice already.
Well, yes, Neha. In fact, it's a full-blown controversy over the amendments in the Waqf bill, and that's on display in the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly. As you know, the budget session is on. There was a break for Eid, and now for 3 days the Assembly has been reconvened. And on the very first day, you had a National Conference MLAs. Quite clearly, they had come pre-planned, and as soon as the proceedings started, the bell was rung. They came out and started ruckus. What they were demanding was that this bill, or the amendments that have been done, are clearly against the Muslim community, and these amendments should be taken back. Also, raising slogans against the BJP government, saying that they are trying to go ahead with their majoritarian agenda, trying to further marginalize Muslims, and while some even came into the well, started throwing things around. One of the MLAs even tore his shirt apart. Now, obviously, the BJP, which is in support of these amendments, also did not waste an opportunity. BJP MLA started raising anti-NC, anti-government slogans, and then it was free for all. There was complete ruckus and chaos, though the proceedings are still on, but it is quite clear that the National Conference, some other opposition parties, and on the other side, the BJP, no one seems to be in a mood to let go this issue. And Kashmir, being a Muslim majority area and has quite a big or significant role of Waqf as far as properties are concerned. So National Conference seems is not in any mood to let go this opportunity to corner the BJP government. And also we know that there was already a controversy regarding the transfers that were made by the Lieutenant Governor. Obviously, NC at that time said that he's interfering into the domain of the elected government. So that is also an issue that could be behind the scenes, but that could also be seen as one of the reasons why the National Conference has come in this kind of a mood in the Assembly. So ruckus, and while the bills have been passed in the Parliament, but politics around it, it seems, is not going to die down.
Absolutely, it won't. The matter is legal as well. It's in court. over 7 petitions in the Supreme Court today. Sunil is also with us. Sunil, the National Conference leaders there, while speaking to you, indicating that the matter is in court now and that it can't be accepted. Also, it's the rightful way of demanding that this bill be done away with, the law be done away with. They have been raising their concerns about it within the Assembly.
Sneha, the proceedings of Jammu and Kashmir Assembly, when they began today, the National Conference MLAs rose and they said that they wanted to bring an adjournment motion against the Waqf bill that was passed by both houses of parliament. There was pandemonium in the J&K Assembly with the National Conference MLAs raising slogans, BJP MLAs raising counter slogans. Then the house was adjourned for 15 minutes. Speaker categorically said that there cannot be any discussion on this issue because as per rules, a discussion cannot be held on this matter, on this bill that has been already passed by the parliament. But after the assembly again convened after 15 minutes, National Conference MLAs once again created ruckus and they tore papers. One of the National Conference MLAs even tore his jacket. So massive uproar is being witnessed even now in Jammu and Kashmir Assembly. We have with us PDP MLA Wahidur Rahman Para, who has just come out of the assembly. Mr. Para, ugly scenes are being witnessed inside the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly. National Conference MLAs are tearing papers. One of the MLAs has even tore his jacket. What do you want to say?
नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस की सरकार है, 50 एमएलए है, मुसलमान चीफ मिनिस्टर है। जम्मू एंड कश्मीर इज़ द ओनली मुस्लिम मेजॉरिटी स्टेट जहां पर आप मुसलमान चीफ मिनिस्टर, 50 एमएलए मुसलमान हैं। वक्फ के खिलाफ, इस बिल के खिलाफ मुसलमानों ने पूरे मुल्क में रिजनमेंट दिखाई। तमिलनाडु हैज़ पास्ड अ रेजोल्यूशन अगेंस्ट दिस बिल।
But the speaker has rejected.
पार्लियामेंट ने 12 घंटे डिस्कस किया, यहाँ 1 मिनट डिस्कशन नहीं हुआ और इनके स्पीकर ने मोशन के साथ साथ रेजोल्यूशन भी रिजेक्ट किया।
All right, the PDP MLA there now speaking with Sunil. I'll come back to you and to Mir in a moment from